how to remove an object from within a picture in a Windows 11 based PC using AI. Now let me open the file that I'll be using as an example to demonstrate this process. I'll double click on it. Now this is the file. It's named Massive Bridge. Now I want to edit this image by removing an object from the image. Now look at this boat. I want to remove it from the image using AI. So we are going to do that using Paint. Microsoft Paint comes free with Windows 11 based PC. So let me minimize this picture and I will now right click on the thumbnail. I will look for Edit with Paint. Now the picture is opened within the Paint app. To remove this object from within the image using AI, make sure that you are connected to the internet. And then I'll click on the eraser tool. This is Generative Erase. I'll click on it. And then I'll try to increase the size of the cursor. It will enable me to better select the object that I want to erase. You can see it says draw over the area you want to erase. So by making this cursor bigger, it makes it easier for me to draw over the object that I want to erase. Now I draw over the object, you can see. Now the aim is to remove the boat. I've selected other areas beyond the boat. And so I'll click on apply. You can see the computer is doing the work. It can take a while, so you need to be patient. Now you can see the object has been removed. You can now save this image. If you click on save, it's going to override the original image you are editing. So instead, you go to file, click on save as. You can save as it as a PNG picture or a JPEG picture. So I choose JPEG. And then let me save it in the folder that it was originally. I'll rename it Massive Bridge Edited. And I click on save. Now let's minimize the paint. Then let's expand these two pictures. So let's put on extra large. Now you can see the two pictures. In the two pictures, this is the one that is unedited. You can see the boat and you see the same picture without the boat. So this is how you can remove an object from within a picture in a Windows 11 based PC without using an expensive software. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more tips.